So I changed my battery from my GoPro. It's actually really nice that a GoPro can record that long. So get on with it. I must say, now I'm 26, that time is going so fast. It's just insane. I can remember when I was 16, literally 10 years ago, and time felt so different then. I'm also seeing a lot of comments, you know, when you're looking at those nostalgia videos. Oh, I have to go to the left here. And then a lot of people are commenting like, within 2010 and 2020 life felt different. And also there are people commenting like, after 2020 life just stopped. So like they're feeling numb now and just living through the days like it's nothing. And sometimes I can really relate with those people. I have a purpose in life. I think for me it's just different. Because if you're living for something, then even when you're feeling sad or happy, it doesn't matter, because you know you have a purpose, and no matter what, you're just going. That's why a lot of people in life are just depressed, because they don't have a purpose. Oh, really nice here. If you're one of those guys that are just depressed in life, I don't think that depression exists. But I always thought that life was against me. And actually it's true that life is against you, because the successful people in life, they have gone through a lot of things, through a lot of hard times. And only the people that working hard and going over the big mountains, those are the ones that are successful. Because if life was easy, it would be easy for everyone to be successful and rich. I think that when you are living for something and you're working to something, because sometimes you get so caught up to where you want to go in life that you forget the process, and then you forget to be in the present. So it's really important for you to switch to a positive state of mind. So every time when you're feeling sad, you know, you can choose to be sad, but you also can choose to be happy. So you can choose to let your mind on your side. There is a guy that I have learned it from, and his name is Andrew Tate. He said that if you're choosing that your mind's on your side, you cannot be depressed. And he's so f***ing right if you think about it. The sound of this bike is so amazing. I want to know if it's possible to go to the right. I know. Come on. Don't make a lot of noise. Unfortunately my bike is making a lot of noise. Oh. We're going to the left, right, and then we'll see. Oh yes, we can! Woohoo! Just warned him that there's cops around. Not that he's doing anything stupid. Look at this corner, man. Wow, really nice. Oh wow, that was amazing. This is really nice. Going through the woods. Which way we're going? Alright. the hell? You're kidding me? I think I made a mistake, but we're gonna do something that isn't allowed. But I'm gonna do it, because otherwise we cannot continue our ride. I know that here is a bridge for cyclists, so I'm going to the left and I'm gonna do it. I don't give a shit, man, because otherwise I have to drive all the way back. What I'm doing now is illegal, so don't do this. But I know that here is a bridge. Or can you not go to the bridge? Oh, fuck. Oh man. Well, we're just gonna find out. Try to do some sketchy shit. La 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 la. Alright, well, we f***ed up. Well, that means I have to go back. Can we go? No, we cannot. Alright. Maakt ook niet uit, hè. Sometimes you think, is that just smart to do? Well, you know, f*** it. Don't try this at home, guys. Don't do this. But you know, otherwise I have to go all the way back, and I know there will be a lot of Karens who don't like what I'm doing. Dat mag echt niemand. They actually have resurfaced the asphalt here, so that's really nice. But this will lead eventually to a normal car road. See, it's here actually. Now we're back on the road because I'm seeing cars there. So what I'm now doing is not illegal. Also, we're going to drive next to the water here at the left side, because there is only where normal roads. These roads are really nice to drive because you can see a lot. So for you, it's really important to understand what you're going to do in life. You know, you have to go back into your mind to the roots from what do you like? Do you like to work for someone else, or do you want to work for yourself? And if it's the second answer for you, so you want to work for yourself, it's really simple. You just have to go back to your roots and just think, what do you love? What do you like to do? What did you do in your free time? And a lot of those activities can guide you to what you want in life. So what I learned from Michael Pilaci, he said that you have to write down your 10 personal values. That's really smart to do, because if money is like your first personal value, you definitely want to make more money than the average people. And I mean, if your personal value is freedom, you're more likely a freedom seeker who loves to explore places. So don't hesitate to write down what you love the most, because it can help you a lot. Normally those guys are going to do like this with their hand. But they didn't, because they are more likely car guys. So they will do this. Reffen bro! No, I just want to drive next to the water. But it doesn't come easily, because that's why most of the people are working for a boss, because it's easy to do so. You get a stable income and that's it. But if you want to work for yourself, you really have to work for it. Don't think that it will be easy, because there will be a lot of obstacles, a lot of rejections. You cannot fail if you don't quit. The one step is write down your personal values. Then second is, what do you like to do? What do you love to do? 3, you're going to look at your surroundings. So are they where you want to be in life? And if the answer is no, you don't have to get rid of them, because family, you know, you can't get rid of them because you love them. I mean more like your friends. If you're living still at your parents' place, you should not tell your goals or what you're going to do, because they will reject and highly recommend you not to go and follow your dreams. And why will they say that? Not because they don't think what you're doing is stupid, but because they don't think it's safe, because they want you to choose the safe option, and the safe option is working for a boss and having a stable income. But even working for a boss isn't guaranteed anymore, because you know, with AI replacing a lot of jobs these days, you literally can be fired. So it's not for granted anymore. So we're driving next to my high school. Look at this, the high school, man. There were teachers, and that's also one important thing, because you saw how excited I was. And if you're excited, you should not make decisions. Also, when you're excited, don't tell your achievements, because you're looking for validation, and you hope that the people around you will get excited as well. Every single person on earth is working on himself, or is just too busy with himself. Don't expect someone to be happy for you. Just let your results speak, because your dad, your mother, your brother, your sister, no one can give you that validation. I'm the only one who is an entrepreneur in my family, and I can remember that when I said to my dad that I wanted to be an entrepreneur, want to be a YouTuber, he literally denied what I wanted to do. And I'm not mad at him, but it's for you just an indication that you should not tell your plans to your parents. So step 4 or step 3, I don't know where we are, is to write down what you're going to do, what do you want to achieve, where do you want to go in life. And if that's clear and you get clarity, you should go for it. You know, how much money does it cost? Just simple steps. Well, I got a camera now because the light was turning red. And if this here has made a picture of me for going through that red light, I got it on camera that is not the case, because I literally saw a video of a guy that was literally stopping for a red light, because he was going a little bit too fast to the red light, so going through the stripe here, he still got the ticket, and he got away with it. But still, you know, you don't know, sometimes the cops can be really corrupt, so I don't want to risk it. But now I have proof. This is just stupid here, because they have maintained the road here and they have cut out the asphalt here, so every person is not driving over this piece of road, because it's really bumpy. So guys, if you like this video, please leave a like, and if you're not subscribed yet, just make sure you subscribe, and see you at the next video. Bye guys.